Tesla is tripling your Model Y delivery time if you don't add on the $12,000 FSD option. Ooh, tactics. This stuff exists all over the place. Like, isn't Rivian going to build their most expensive ones first and
to fund the cheaper ones?
Yeah, exactly. To get more money in your pocket now, just in general, pay your bills. A recent update to Tesla's website configurator reveals. It is interesting because I know you're a big configurator guy, Will.
Yes.
You spend way too much time in there. And it is interesting how there's little tidbits in there if you're paying attention. Oh, I picked this option. What did it do to the other options that are grayed out now? Or what did it do to the delivery time? Or what did it do to the, I don't know, whatever. They have effects. And you got to kind of go and check what happens if you do that. Like me, when I'm ordering from Amazon, I'm like, I need 3. And they're like, oh, that's going to be 2 weeks now instead of tomorrow. I'm like, oh, what if I only need 2? And they're like, tomorrow.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm like, oh, I just figured out how many are in the warehouse.
You hacked the system.
I'm anonymous at that point.
Yeah.
The hacking group.
Yeah.
I'm not. A recent update to Tesla's website configurator reveals it is prioritizing reservations that include the $12,000 full self-driving option, at least for the Model Y and Model 3. For reservations of the Model Y in particular, delivery estimates change from 6 months from today to 2 months simply by choosing the FSD add-on option. Well, you're going to be real lucky to get a Tesla in 2 months. I'm just going to tell you that right now, all right? Don't get too carried away because I had a lot of delays with mine, so I don't know. I just assume it's a possibility for anyone.
Still waiting.
Having first begun deliveries 2 years ago, the Tesla Model Y remains the American automaker's most recent model to reach production. Since then, it has become a pivotal EV in helping the company gain an even larger global market share. Yeah. So Model 3, estimated delivery April 2022. What? That's fast. So you get a Model 3 in April right now?
I guess so. I guess they're cranking them out.
And the Model Y isn't coming till May, but only, like I said, if you get the premium, wait a second. FSD. But the other one to the left has the FSD. It says September 2022. And they selected FSD, didn't they? Oh, no, they didn't. Never mind. It's not added. You're right. Look at that. You're either getting May or September. It's a little $12,000 express shipping.
Did you get it for yours? Have you tried it?
Well, because the thing was, the beta because I haven't driven it since that. You're talking about the beta?
Whatever the full self-driving, is it beta here?
It's recently beta here. And I have to go in the car and select to enable it, and then it will be on a limited thing. Like, not everyone's going to get it.
Right.
And then you're like, oh, cool, it's active. I'm part of the beta.
It's crazy that this is just software.
Yes.
Right? And I'm guessing you can buy it at any point, like after you purchase your Tesla, but just more expensive.
I actually don't know what happens to the price if you buy it at a later date. But yeah, it's presumably it's software. So I don't know.
Man, that's a big 12.
I don't know if you can add it later. You better be sure on that, because for
maybe someone in the comments
$12,000 software, are you sure there's no extra sensors associated with it?
I don't know.
But I do feel like you're right. I feel
curious.
like I've heard in the past you can add it later. So maybe it's just, and if in my case, if I'm getting the beta at a later date, you can cancel FSD capability subscription at any time from the Tesla app or Tesla account or the subscription model. Can I get FSD later? Tesla can increase the price for a subscription at any time, but will give drivers a 1-month advance notice before billing them at a new rate. Owners can cancel FSD at any time, but the company won't prorate their monthly payment. So Tesla debuts an FSD subscription for $199 a month.
Oh, okay. So you don't buy it all at once. Like after you get your Tesla, you want FSD, then you have to pay a subscription.
It's an interesting tactic.
Very interesting.
It's a funny angle. I guess it lets you distribute the cost.
Uh-huh.
But, you look at the Model Y starting at $39,000. FSD looks so expensive next to that base price.
It does.
Jeez.
Yeah, it does.
A $12,000 option. And then, obviously, if you go to like a Model S Plaid or something, it's less of a percentage of the overall cost of the car. But on a Model 3, like, would you get it on a Model 3 at that price?
Oh, man. It would probably be like, what, 15,000?
Canadian?
16,000 Canadian?
You convert to Canadian.
Oh, man, I don't think so. It'd be so cool, but I don't think so. And it's also beta.
You could wait. You could definitely wait.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Crazy.
Let's not worry about it because you got the Bronco coming anyway.
Yeah, I'm excited for that.